In this video, I'm going to teach you how to gift someone an Amazon gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Amazon gift card is an extremely good choice for a gift. It provides the user with a variety of choices on what they want to use their gift card in. So, Amazon has a few easy ways to send a gift card, whether you need it delivered instantly or even in a physical format for a scheduled date and so on. There are three primary methods to gift an Amazon gift card. First, via e-gift cards. So these are digital gift cards. You can go over to their page, so you look for Amazon gift card through the app or the website, and you will see them here. They will usually be titled e-gift cards or digital gift cards. You can choose any of these occasions here. They will have different designs. You can browse through all of them. The price will remain the same. And then you can choose an amount. So you can choose the preset values of 25, 50, 75, 100, 150, or 200, or specify a custom value between $5 and $2,000. Then you choose between email or text message. You input the recipient's email address, an optional message, and the delivery date. Once the delivery date arrives, they will receive the email, and inside of that email, the code referring to the gift card will be available. Then all that they have to do is go over to redeem a gift card and input the code here. Extremely simple, and it is delivered instantly. For a physical gift card, which they also offer, you will see them labeled as physical gift cards, and the idea is the same. You choose one of the preset values, or you include the custom amount, you choose a custom design, and then you either send it to your address or their address. Choose a presentation, input the recipient's address, and add a custom message. Once you check out, it will be shipped to the recipient just like any Amazon order. Be aware that Amazon gift cards are typically valid only on the Amazon website for the country they were purchased in. So if you are on the US website, whoever is going to be redeeming them must also be using the US website for Amazon. This also works for the mobile app. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.